Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing the assembly for this. These are the little like fitted caps, baseball caps, the party favors. You guys, these are pretty cool and neat to do, you know, birthdays, parties, graduations, whatever. Now the actual templates for you to customize yourself is over on my Patreon page. The link for that will be in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so let me first start by showing you all of the pieces that I have and that I cut out. Now I did cut these out by hand. That's these pieces here. These pieces. It looks like a lot. It does. And this one. And on the folding, on the dotted lines, you know, the folded areas, to get that to pretty much fold. Only thing I did was just took like a little tool. I'm not sure what they're called. Scouring, something like that. But all I did was just go over the little dotted lines, the dotted areas, and this made it super easy for me to fold. Pretty much what you're doing is just like creating, see, like a little crease, and it makes it super easy, and it'll fold right where you creased it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on everything, and then I will start with assembling everything. You know what? No, there are like some other little small pieces. Y'all, I hope I did not lose some pieces, because I cut the, okay, here we go. These. Yeah, we have these little circles. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, scour everything up. I think that's the correct word. And then I'll start putting it together. You guys can use, I'm just gonna use some regular, I think I'm just gonna use some regular Elmer's glue. I was gonna use my glue gun, but just in case I need to move it and adjust it, I'm not going to do that. So yeah, I would suggest using a glue that allows movement. You know, it doesn't dry so fast. Okay, so that's enough talking. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. Now I will say this is it's cute. Like, it's super adorable. You can customize this up. Now would be the time to add your own you know, little emblems, football teams, basketball teams, whatever. Now I will say for this on the top, you guys, I hand cut this because I lost mine, so that's why it looks a little weird at the top. But yeah, I had to hand cut that. But look, you guys, it actually fits. Look at that. Love it. Look at that. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Bye.